So how to use VLOOKUP quickly. So let's say I want to get this dispatch date data to my daybook.xls sheet. So to start with the formula, we will use equal to VLOOKUP and then the lookup value. My lookup value is voucher number because it is common in both of the sheet. Now it is asking for the range. Make sure you start the range from the lookup value. In my case, my lookup value is voucher number, so I'm starting from this. The index should be the lookup value. Now as I can go as far as I can go, and now it is asking for the column index value. So the column index value, the data you want to get on this sheet, so comma, and the column index, my column number is 4, and then false to get the exact value, bracket close, and then hit enter. Now you can see it is showing the data. Now drag it down to get all the data. Thanks for watching.